Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find all the shared files in a community on the Telegram app for PC. Whether you're looking for documents, images, or videos that members have shared, this quick guide will help you locate everything easily in the latest Telegram update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your account so you can access your chats and communities. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats and groups on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, find the community you want to explore. This could be any group or channel where multiple users share content. Simply scroll through your chat list and click on the community's name to open it. Wait a moment for the conversation to load. Telegram usually processes this instantly. Now that you're inside the community, pay attention to the top section of the window. You'll see the name of the community displayed there. Click directly on the name. This action opens the community's detailed information page, where Telegram collects all shared content and settings in one place. Inside the community info panel, you'll notice different tabs or sections such as media, files, links, and voice messages. We're interested in the files section. Click on Files, and Telegram will automatically display every document or file that's been shared within that community. You can scroll through the list, open items directly, or even download them to your computer for later use. This feature is extremely useful if you're part of large communities that frequently share documents like PDFs, spreadsheets, or presentations. Instead of scrolling endlessly through thousands of messages, this method helps you get straight to what you need with just a few clicks. And that's it. You've successfully found all the shared files in a Telegram community using the updated Telegram app on a PC. It's fast, simple, and saves you a lot of time when organizing or reviewing shared materials. If this helped you, don't forget to stay tuned for more quick Telegram tips and guides.